Welcome, in front of me is a Motorola Razr 60 Ultra, and today I will show you how you can put this device into Fastboot mode. And to get started, we'll hold power button and volume up at the same time, which will bring up our boot options, and from here you want to select power off. When the device turns off, hold power button and volume down at the same time, which will bring us to the bootloader first, and when you see that mode you can let go of both of the buttons. Now, next, using volume buttons either up or down, you want to have recovery mode show up. And when it does, right here, press power button to confirm it. In a moment, you will see Android logo. When you do, hold power button, and while holding it, you're going to press volume up. So there we go. This redirects us to the recovery mode, and here, just like before, we're going to use volume buttons to navigate. And you want to use those in order to select Enter Fastboot. Then confirm it again using power button. And this then enters Fastboot mode. There we go. Now here, again, you can use volume buttons to navigate, power to confirm, and options here are things like Reboot System Now, which takes us back to Android, Enter Recovery Mode, which will bring us to the previous page, Reboot to Bootloader, which will bring us to the first page we have seen after turning off the device, and then we just have a simple power off. I'm going to stick with the first option, confirm it, and this will just reboot the device and bring me back to the Android. And there we go. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.